Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on record it, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to disappear. Then you go down. You come here to increase call volume during recording. Clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean increase call volume during recording enable with us now. So that's all you have to do now. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.